There's nothing quite like collecting fresh, organic eggs from your own backyard chickens. The vibrant orange yolks, the satisfying weight in your hand, and the knowledge that these eggs came from happy, healthy hens you raised yourself. It's an incredibly rewarding experience. Imagine stepping outside on a sunny morning, basket in hand, and being greeted by the cheerful clucking of your chickens. You gather their warm eggs, still slightly damp from the nesting box, and take in the beauty of your little flock. That's the magic of raising backyard chickens. It's a journey of connection, sustainability, and the simple pleasure of savoring fresh, wholesome food. So are you ready to embark on this fulfilling adventure? Let's explore the wonderful world of raising chickens for fresh eggs. Raising backyard chickens is becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. More and more people are discovering the joys and benefits of keeping their own flock right in their backyard. It offers a multitude of benefits, from enjoying healthier eggs to embracing a more sustainable lifestyle. Not only do you get fresh eggs daily, but you also gain a deeper connection to your food source. One of the most significant advantages is the quality of the eggs. Backyard eggs are often fresher and tastier than those found in stores. Chickens raised in your backyard, free to roam and forage, produce eggs with richer flavor and higher nutritional value than store-bought eggs. They have the freedom to eat a varied diet, which contributes to the superior quality of their eggs. These eggs boast darker, creamier yolks, packed with vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids. The difference in taste and nutrition is noticeable and highly rewarding. Beyond the health benefits, raising chickens promotes self-sufficiency and connects you to your food source. It's a step towards a more independent and mindful way of living. You're no longer reliant on supermarkets for your eggs, and you have complete control over what your chickens eat. This means you can ensure they are fed organic, non-GMO grains and kitchen scraps. Plus, let's not forget the environmental benefits. Raising chickens can significantly reduce your household waste. Backyard chickens contribute to a sustainable lifestyle by reducing food waste and minimizing your carbon footprint. They act as natural recyclers, turning your kitchen scraps into valuable resources. They happily gobble up kitchen scraps, turning your leftovers into nutrient-rich eggs. This not only benefits the environment, but also provides you with a continuous supply of fresh, delicious eggs. Creating a safe and comfortable home for your chickens is paramount to their well-being and egg production. A well-designed coop not only ensures the health and happiness of your flock, but also makes your daily chores easier and more enjoyable. Fortunately, setting up a backyard coop doesn't have to be complicated. With a bit of planning and some basic materials, you can create a functional and inviting space for your chickens. Begin by selecting a well-drained area in your backyard that receives ample sunlight and shade. This balance is crucial as it helps regulate the temperature inside the coop, keeping your chickens comfortable throughout the year. The coop should be spacious enough for your flock to move around freely, with adequate ventilation to ensure fresh air circulation. Proper ventilation helps prevent respiratory issues and keeps the coop smelling fresh. Inside the coop, provide nesting boxes filled with soft bedding like straw or pine shavings, where your hens can lay their eggs comfortably. These nesting boxes should be placed in a quiet, dimly lit area to give your hens a sense of security. Roosting bars, elevated off the ground, offer a safe and cozy space for your chickens to sleep at night. Ensure these bars are smooth and sturdy to prevent foot injuries and provide a comfortable resting place. Don't forget about the outdoor run. This area is essential for your chickens to get exercise and enjoy the outdoors. Enclose a secure area around your coop using chicken wire or hardware cloth to protect your flock from predators and allow them to roam and forage freely. This not only keeps them safe, but also provides mental stimulation and a natural environment for them to explore. With so many different chicken breeds available, each with its unique personality, egg-laying capabilities, and even aesthetic appeal, choosing the right ones for your backyard can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor. It's important to consider what you want from your chickens. If you're primarily interested in egg production, consider popular layers like Rhode Island Reds, which are known for their hardiness and consistent laying. Leghorns, which are prolific layers of large white eggs, or Australorps, which are not only great layers but also friendly and easy to handle. These breeds are known for their consistent egg-laying abilities, producing an abundance of beautiful brown eggs, making them a favorite among backyard chicken keepers. For those seeking a touch of whimsy and variety, explore heritage breeds like Wyandottes, which are not only beautiful, but also good layers and very docile. With their striking plumage and delightful personalities, or Americanas, which are known for their friendly nature and unique egg colors. Famous for their blue or green eggs, adding a splash of color to your egg basket and making breakfast a bit more fun. Remember to consider your climate and lifestyle when selecting breeds. Some chickens are better suited for certain environments. Some chickens are more heat tolerant, making them ideal for warmer climates where temperatures can soar, while others thrive in colder temperatures, ensuring they stay healthy and productive even in the winter months. Researching different breeds and their specific needs will ensure you choose the perfect feathered companions for your backyard. Take your time to learn about each breed's characteristics and requirements to make an informed decision.